So hello guys, today we're gonna teach you how to redeem points on Novelah. So it's pretty simple. So all you have to do is download the application and earn points. By doing so, you can read books here and other genres that you might like here in the top corner of your screen. So all you have to do basically is go to your Me section in the bottom right corner of your screen, and then you will find there your redeem button. But unfortunately for iOS it's not found, but for Android devices it can be found right here in the points record, as you can see. So once you have done that, it would look something like this, where there's a points record, but it won't really show here in iOS, but I'll show you the next step to doing so. It would look like this once you have pressed the button, and you can redeem your points for cash, which can be exchanged for in PayPal or in Gcash or other types of currency in the online market. So basically that's just how you redeem your points here in Novelah. If you like this video, see you again next time.